Girl. Hi. Do you have weekend plans?
Boy, not yet. I am still thinking.
Girl. I want to do something fun.
Yes, weekends should feel relaxing.
Do you like going to the beach?
Yes, I love the sound of waves.
Same. The beach feels peaceful.
The cool wind feels very nice.
Or we can watch a movie.
Yes, a movie is a good idea.
Do you like action movies?
Yes, but I also like comedy.
Maybe we can eat outside too.
Yes, I like simple street food.
I love hot noodles on weekends.
Noodles taste great in the evening.
Do you want to invite friends?
Maybe 2 or 3 friends.
Yes, small groups feel comfortable.
Big groups get too noisy.
What day is better for you?
Saturday works best for me.
Good. Saturday feels more free.
Yes, Sunday is often busy.
Okay, we will plan on Saturday.
Yes, let's decide tomorrow.
Fine. Message me your ideas.
Sure, I will text you.
Great. Talk to you later.